Out in the west there's a story that's told about a mine that was lost and it's loaded with gold. The tale that they tell is that when it is found, there's heaps of gold nuggets right there on the ground. But no one will find it, though many have tried. It's guarded by ghosts of the miners that died. Yes, it's guarded by ghosts of the... I think I'll take a little nap. Hey, Sugarfoot, we found a real gold nugget.
Doggone. I've been digging for 30 years, and I ain't found no gold yet.
Yippee! We found gold! Gold!
Huh? Gold?
We're rich, Sugarfoot. We're rich.
I gotta get that gold.
And look, here's a gold mine. It says abandoned mine. Now we can go in and get more gold.
Oh, no. This is my gold mine. Look. You see? That's my name. Joe Abandon. So you'll have to get. Now, goodbye and get lost.
Oh, yeah? Let me see your credentials.
Here's my credentials. Now you beat it or I'll shoot you.
Okay, shoot.
If you want to be rich, you gotta have a lot of money.
Let's get some gold, Sugarfoot.
I'll make a bomb that'll blow 'em into Kingdom Come, or my name ain't Joe Abandoned.
When we cash in all this gold, Sugarfoot, we'll be rich millionaires. And maybe we can buy that farm in Kansas you always wanted.
Keep it going.
How you like being rich, Sugarfoot?
All right. I'm tired of being a nice guy. Now stick 'em up.
We've loaded our gold and we're going to town. We're gonna spread money and joy all around. Ta-dum-de-dum-dee-dee-dum-dum-de-dum-dum. You wait here, old pal. I'll take a couple of bags full inside. Hi, old-timer. Take a look at this. And there's a lot more where that came from.
So, another one of them wise guys, eh? Now that there's fool's gold. And you beat it or I'll call the marshal. And the next crook that brings any more of that stuff in here is gonna get blasted.
I got bad news, Sugarfoot. We're not rich anymore. That was fool's gold. We're broke. We're paupers.
I got you now, you claim jumpers.
Oh, hello, Mr. Abandon. We were waiting for you. We had a change of heart, and you can have all the gold.
Yeah? Oh, boy, I'm rich.
Oh, I think we better go, Sugarfoot.